Welcome to our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today we are taking you to another beautiful travel destination. This place is situated in the central province of Sri Lanka. It's a beautiful waterfall, so join us and enjoy this video. This waterfall is 33 kilometers from Kandy town. Starting from Kandy, one needs to pass Kadugastota, Madawala, Wattegama, Panwila and Huluganga towns to reach the waterfall. The location is also not far from Matale city. Those who are starting from Matale can come to the Huluganga town via Madulkale. You need to go 3 kilometers further to reach the waterfall. The signboards will direct you to the destination. The waterfall is situated on a tea estate called Alakola Estate. It is such an amazing place to visit. You can see some massive trees around the small route. Traveling through this road is an experience of another level. We met many travelers like us who came to enjoy this view. As the road condition is poor from Huluganga town, it is better to use a four-wheel vehicle or a motorbike. You have to stop your vehicle in a place where you can see the waterfall from a distance. Then you need to walk around 1 kilometer to reach the waterfall. It is a nice little footpath along the Alakola Estate. Now we can see the waterfall. This is the footpath I mentioned earlier. Now we are going near to the waterfall. The name of the waterfall is Thaliya Wetuna Ella, which is also referred to as Alakola Ella. It is absolutely beautiful from a distance. A closer look, however, will bring out the beauty. The type of this waterfall is horsetail type. This waterfall is formed by the Huluganga river. The scenic beauty of the surroundings is breathtaking. This waterfall is located in the Knuckles mountain range. It belongs to the Kandy District of Sri Lanka. Thaliya Watuna Ella Falls is another waterfall that contains 2 cascades. The total height of the fall is 50 meters. This beauty is best visited between April and August. Anyone can enjoy a bath at this location. Some spots in the pool are deep, so be careful when bathing. So why don't you try this place as your next travel destination? However, remember not to destroy these places and just enjoy the view. While enjoying, let's save our natural heritages for the future. We'll take you to another beautiful place like this soon. Until then, thank you for watching our Heritage in Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Have a nice day.